Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Sunday the 28th of April. We were in Chippenham, so obviously I went in the charity shops. Some were open, not many on a Sunday, but the YMCA was open. And I spotted this. To be honest, £2 is more than I'd want to pay for this normally, but I thought I'd buy it anyway. House of Marbles, Supersonic Catapult Flyer, Slingshot Glider. Feels like it's plastic. In fact, that looks like plastic. Let's see if we can get it open without... No, we're not going to get it open without damaging it. Okay, we'll open it. It's the sort of thing I would keep in the back of the car for a suitable day. So that's what's going to happen. It will go in the back of the car, assuming it's in one piece. Yeah, looks okay. Fairly thin foam. So I would expect if we launch it with too much power, it'll probably fold up. And that'll be our £2 gone. It's got some kinks in it where it's been stored. Well, if we take the picture as a guide, it's that way round. Those are rather small wings, to be honest. Hang on. Why did I think that was the other way round? That's backwards. According to the picture. So there we are. House of Games, Supersonic, Catapult, Slingshot, Glider. With a bit of a bent wing there. I suppose I could just pop out in the garden and just throw it across the garden and see if it actually glides. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, this is just to see whether it glides. There's no rudder adjustment, and these bits of plastic or foam are rather distorted. It'd probably pay me to fold down the middle there, give it a bit of an airfoil shape, so that would get rid of the the bends in it. Well, we'll try it as it is and see what happens. Tail heavy. So, what can we do to improve that? Well, we could add nose weight, obviously. Or we could try and sort out this. I'll take the easy option, lump of nose weight. Well, that'll do for now. That looks to me like it's warping more. It's probably getting moisture in it. But that's warped more than it was when we started. Yeah, oh, we'll put it in the back of the car. We might be able to have a bit of fun with it before it breaks. For tonight, I'm going to leave it taped to the curve of the chair here. I've actually put a little fold along the leading edge to try and give us a bit of a airfoil shape, and also hopefully by putting a bit of a curve in it, it should stiffen it up. I'll leave that taped like that. That's only masking tape, so it should come off again easily enough. And then if the weather's right, we'll give it a try tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.